jersey number 3. Passing jersey number 1, Amparo. Jersey number 19, for Gray. Yes, the good. Long rebound on jersey number 11, Nandaran. Attack the defense goes to Flores. It's not good. Jersey number 20, Maruga. Wala pa rin. Now on jersey number 19, passing jersey number 1. Bounce passing jersey number 10. It's super 2. Number 7, Toro. Passing jersey number 13. It's a line violation, third number, substitution. Timeout, Barangay, Poblacion. And ciao. Back to the ball game. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes away. As I in first half. Score 56-28. 28 ball lead para sa Barangay Chao. Jersey number 88. Back to jersey number 1. Set in the play. Bounce pass, jersey number 6. Turn around, shot is no good. Jersey number 7, Tormo, on the run. And Croatia lays it up, it's over 2. 1 minute and 38 seconds to play. Score 56-13. Jersey number 88, Easton Ridley. 1 second shot clock. ISO play, jersey number 88. Passing jersey number 1 for 3. Here's the body on the rebound. On jersey number 7. He comes passing jersey number 11. Lays it up. And make a second of a foul. I mean, jersey number, who's called up? Jersey number 12. That is first foul. Bennett. Bonus free throw for jersey number 11. Bonus shot is no good. On jersey number 19, passing jersey number 1, Amparo. Passing jersey number 19. Simple. 17 seconds shot clock, 17 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds to play. Miscommunication on turnover para sa Barangay Chao. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds to play. Score 56-32. 24-point lead para sa Barangay Chao. Jersey number 7, pass to Maluga, jersey number 14. He's jersey number 12, Carter, passing jersey number 28, elbow jumper, it's no good. Jersey number 6, to jersey number 1. Intercepted jersey number 14, Kaluma. Barangay Chao, time remaining 52 seconds to play. Jersey number 1, Amara passing jersey number 4. It's jersey number 14, back to jersey number 1. Big pass, almost goes to the wall. Intercept, on the intercept, passing jersey number 12. He got passing jersey number 19, and as they go.